Hi gang, Alan here with the Dyn Ninja Squad. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about DNS, what it is, how it works, and some of the things you can do with it. You see, DNS is everywhere online. Every website that you visit, every download you make, every social media site you visit, you're using DNS. And it all happens in the background, so most people aren't familiar with how it works and what its function really is. So today we're going to go over some of that stuff and hopefully clarify it for you. So, every computer on the internet is actually given a numerical IP address. This address is where it's located on the internet, and it's a series of numbers like, say, 204.13.248.117. Now, that's the IP address of our company website, but instead you can type dyndns.com. You put that into your web browser, and that'll actually get translated to that numerical IP address. Much easier to remember, and that's part of what DNS does. So not only does it allow you to have an easily human-readable address to connect to your computer, but it'll also allow you to look up other things. You can take a look and see where mail servers are located. You can take a look and see if something is an alias for another host name, things like that. Okay, so now that we know that dyndns.com actually translates to an IP address, which specifies exactly where on the internet a server can be located, how do we find that out? Well, when you type dyndns.com into your web browser, the first thing that happens is that your computer will use your internet provider's recursive DNS servers. Don't let the long fancy name fool you, it's actually quite simple. What this does is these servers that your computer's automatically configured for, you don't have to do anything, are the ones that actually go and do the legwork to go and find out what that end IP address is for you. So the first thing it does is it goes, okay, you're trying to find dyndns.com. That's part of the .com TLD, top level domain. So what it does is it goes and contacts the registry for .com. Now, the .com registry handles a big list of every .com domain out there and where they're delegated to. And delegation just means the specification for who is going to provide DNS for that domain. In this case, it's going to be us. So what happens is your recursive name servers, all automatically through the back end assigned to you by your ISP, queries the .com registry and goes, where is this domain delegated to? The .com registry looks it up and goes, oh, the name servers for that are located with dyndns. Here's their name servers. Our system goes, thank you, takes that information, and then goes and asks those name servers, which are considered the authoritative name servers. Now, they're very different than recursive DNS servers, which go and do the legwork to find out whatever record it is that you're looking for. These instead give the answer. So in this case, it's being asked, what's the IP address for dyndns.com? And our name servers go, it's pointing to this IP address. Your computer gets that back from your recursive servers and goes, excellent, thank you, and now tries to connect directly to that IP address. Now that all happens in faster than a blink of the eye, but it's very important. And every time that you do something on the internet that involves a host name, twitter.com, dyndns.com, netflix.com, you name it, it's using that DNS query process. So once again, it goes from your computer through the recursive DNS servers of your ISP, which will do the legwork, to the registry, which returns the delegation name servers for the domain you're looking up. And then your system will query those name servers and go, where's this pointing to? And with that, it connects.